Ассалаумағалейкум достар, сіздермен бірге Кука арнасы. Және де достар, мен арнаның атын өзгерттім. Достар, бүгінгі видеода біз KIGA4BEK-тің яғни әйелімен, яғни KIGA4BEK-тің жұбайымен ойнап ойнайтын боламыз. Короче, KIGA4BEK-тің әйелімен ойнап, осы видео топ-1 алу мүмкін. Міне. Ал енді видео лайк басып, арнамызға подписаться етіп кетейік. Пока, енді кеттік.
You got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. See us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They about to see us glow, cause we're golden. You got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
They say life will bring discomfort, and I discovered we all just suffer, cause no one feels that bad. And it comes from one another, we hurt each other just like a lover, and don't think twice about that. And I feel like something's bad, but hell, I'm used to that. I always turn my back, yeah. And I wanna feel something, but all I feel is pain. I wanna make a change, but you either pick yourself up or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it all by myself. Got scars, put up my guard. I don't wanna get torn apart. I start to feel my heart race faster, it's pumping hard. And all I want is to be something. That's why I just keep on running. Can't stop what you don't see coming. Yeah, and you know I'm coming. How can I trust you if you don't trust me? I do what I do, cause it is just me, and nothing is new. No, I'm not lucky. I work my ass off, so I'll be some. You either pick yourself up or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it all by myself. It's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, cause it's my life, and I'll get how if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, yeah, let's go, yeah. Yeah, got my life in my hands. I've been running all around, but I ain't got any plans. All the homies cruise around and we just packed in a van, hitting every single town where we know all of the fans. Whoa girl, what you running from now? I could tell that she was looking for a hell of a time. I just wanna take her back now, I just wanna take her back now. Whoa, oh, oh. And she got those moves that everybody wanna see, and she like that groove, and got me begging, baby please, it's just me and you. I like this view, okay, 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 oh. I don't wanna wait for a good time, so I'm gonna make us a good time. We could fake it and make it, just take it now, and we can shake it and break it, just let it out. It's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, cause it's my life, and I'll get high if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, let's go, let's go, yeah. Summer nights when we put on a show, anybody wanna come and anybody can go. Cranking up the energy with the no radio, and she's saying baby please can we do it some more. Okay, guess we doing this thing. Round two and she cute and I don't know her name. In the middle of the room spilling all the champagne, shaking hips, cherry lips in a tight little frame. Hey, okay, okay though, yeah. Tear it up, tornado. Do you wanna play a game though? Yeah, molding bodies like it's Play-Doh. Damn, it's a hell of a thing. Watch your hips move around as the melody sings, like a kid crushing now as I see him they swing. I just wanna pull her in like a fish on a string. It's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, cause it's my life, and I'll get high if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, and it's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, cause it's my life, and I'll get high if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, and it's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, cause it's my life, and I'll get high if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, whoa.
I'm so fucking ugly inside, and I don't think that I will find my love. I don't think that I will find my home. Devil says that I should sell my soul. You must pay,